Why don't you look for some other eggs?
Maybe I'll look some other eggs. A green one. What's in here?
Do you want to collect all the eggs and then we'll check to see what's in each of them, Charlotte? Sharbar? Hey, why don't you just find all the eggs first, Charlotte?
What's this?
Hey, Charlotte, why don't we just put them all in the basket and then we'll open them afterwards, okay?
You open this one. There's something in it. What is it? It's a chocolate.
And you can't eat it just yet.
Well,
Hold on.
let's find all the eggs. Come
Yeah,
on, let's
just
go
put
find
it in
the
your
eggs.
basket, though. Put it in your basket now.
Right in here.
Okay.
It's a blue one.
I
Oh,
know.
I love that color.
All right, now put it back in your basket and let's try to find some more eggs. I think he left eggs all over the place. Okay.
That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
I see. Where's the other egg?
Keep looking.
I thought you just said you saw another one.
Where's it? Where is it? They have another one. What's in here?
Oh.
Oh, there was.
Coins. No coins. Oh, I love these coins.
All right, Charlotte, why don't we just find the eggs and put them in the basket? And then you can open them all up at once, okay?
These ones here.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny came and he went.
Ooh. I love these eggs Daddy brought for me. Where's the other egg? I see it.
Yeah, you can bring him. The Easter Bunny brought him.
Here we go. Whoa, what's in here? Another chocolate!
All right, just put it in the basket. Well, let's keep finding eggs.
Keep finding eggs.
Oh, you don't want that in there? Okay.
Where's the egg?
Let's look. You have to look for them. The Easter Bunny's making a game for you.
Yeah, he's making Easter eggs. Come on, for egg hunt.
We're going on an egg hunt.
Where's the Easter egg? Easter egg. I thought Easter. It's a golden one.
That must be your big prize, the golden one.
It's my favorite. Where's the other Easter egg?
I think we're going to have to go look for them.
Oh. Where's the other one?
We have to go look for them.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go over here. Search for some more Easter eggs. I love to have Easter eggs for egg hunt. Let's check. There's that orange one. It's something in it. Something in it. Oh, another chocolate. We can help it stand there. I can eat both the chocolates later.
Yes, you'll eat all the chocolate later.
When the Easter Bunny says it's okay.
Why don't you check Phoebe's room, honey?
What's Phoebe's room? I hope there's Easter eggs in Phoebe's room. I guess there's Easter eggs here somewhere. I better check. No Easter eggs in here.
No?
I think I see one.
What was that? I thought you said you saw one.
What is it?
Phoebe found one.
Can I have one? Thank you. Thank you, Phoebe. She gave it to me. Let's see what's in this one. Some more coins. Some is coins. Now let's shut this thing. Shut it.
All right, Charlotte, just put it in your basket.